So numeric functions. So it's a kind of functions to deal with numeric number, okay? Numericals or numbers. First one is mean. Okay. So now you might have learned in your schooling, during schooling or your +1, +2, this mean function. No, the use of mean, right, ma'am? Ever heard of it?
Yes, yeah.
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 Okay. Yeah. So mean is something that it will just give you the average of a average of few arguments. Okay, average of few numbers. For example, so this mean in SAS, it just returns the arithmetic mean, which means the average of numbers. So argument is numeric. At least one non-missing argument is required to, otherwise the functions returns missing. Okay, the mean can no, it just can't calculate on the missing values, right? So at least one function should be a non-missing value. So we have quite a few means here. Yeah. So mean. Okay, let's start this. Yeah. So we got this uh, x1, x2, x3, and x4, right? Until x5. So what is the mean of 2 plus 4, ma'am? So sorry, 6 plus 2 or 2 plus 6?
4.
Yes. Yes. And again, next one, 4.25. Again, what is this x3? x1 minus x2. Okay. So what is mean of x1 minus x2, which is, yeah, 4 minus 4.4, 4.25 is just 0.25 minus, right? Minus 0.25 by 1 because it has only one argument, right?
Okay.
Yeah. And here, this is x1 minus x2, and this is mean of x1 to x2. Okay. So it means mean of x1 to x2, not x1 minus x2. So we have off here in the brackets, right?
Okay.
So which means so it will give you mean of x1 to x2. Okay, which will be 4 plus 4.25 divided by 2. Okay, that will be a mean. Got it, ma'am?
Yeah.
And this one, mean of x1 comma x2, which is same, 4 comma 4.25. So if you see, x1, x4, and x5 will have the same values. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. This you know, this you know. Okay. Now tell me, okay, this is x1 minus x2. So what is, so no, how do you calculate mean of this one? So how do you calculate mean of this one?
Here we are taking the range like x1, x2, x3
Hmm.
by 3.
Yeah. Okay. This you know, this you know. And how about this? Let's take a guess. We even dealt with this one previously. If you remember, just tell me how do you do this? Remember, ma'am? Remember we used something called set ds in this way. Remember? Ma'am?
No.
Okay.
Set today, yes.
Column.
For observations, like this is the same like range only. I
Okay.
remember like that. The
Is it like
observation from
x1
4.
to x7? I mean, oh, sorry, xa.
Sorry?
I- Is it like mean for all x1 till?
Hmm.
Till?
I'm thinking the same like range only.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
all the X mean.
ma'am, range is different. This is
Colon
different,
is
ma'am. Yeah, colon is different. I mean, yeah. So there is something called X colon.
mm-hmm.
No, remember we dealing with the we're dealing with the data in this way. Data ds set ds1, so the ds in this way run, or else remember, ma'am. Whenever we
Mm.
have ds1, ds2, and again ds3 in this way, we used to write ds sorry set
Yes.
ds colon or um, ds1 to ds10. No,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah. So the same way. So
X
whichever,
colon mean.
yeah, whichever
No,
values have x colon x for followed with a number or something. Okay, whichever
no.
have the first value is x, it will give the mean of everything. Okay,
Yeah.
got it, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So which
Like, will it
is
give the mean of individual or
sorry, ma'am.
will it give like seven? Sorry, 1, 2, 3. Will it give like seven different values or just one value of the seven? Uh,
No, you tell me, ma'am. So we are calculating mean of x colon. So what does x colon have?
maybe like X1
Mm-hmm.
till XA.
Okay.
It will
So how many numbers? X one, 2, 3, 4,
be
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7,
seven,
right?
seven
So 7 by
divided
7.
by 7.
Sorry? Why 5 by 7, ma'am?
No, no, I'm saying 7. Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Not Y. Y is
No, that's what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
5, 6,
and A.
7. Yeah,
Okay, total 7 by 7 values.
7 values. Yeah,
Okay, if we if just calculate this 4 plus 4.2, 8. Again, where is the cursor? Divided by x5 itself? No, right? So okay, that's different. Yeah, this 4, 8, 12, 12.5, and again 3, and again 12.25, and again 16 point,
X,
and again x6, no, xa, all divided by 7
X,
gives you this value.
this one. Okay.
Okay, yeah. And tell me what is x8 here? You saw what you saw x1 hyphen x4. We have double hyphen here.
I,
Think for a minute. Just think logically. So
So
hyphen,
it
you know
may
it.
include y also, I think. All the values between x1 and x4.
Between x1 and x4.
Yes.
So which all values will be covered, ma'am?
x2, x3,
Okay,
and y is also included, I'm thinking.
you're right. I mean, you're sure, right?
I, I'm thinking so. I don't know. I
Okay.
don't know about this double
Yeah.
hyphen. Just I'm thinking.
Just do if you are okay, can just
Yeah.
calculate x1 to x4. I mean, whatever you're thinking, right? Calculate the
Yeah.
mean of x1, x2, x3, and y and x4 by 5.
Okay.
Yeah. Can calculate, ma'am, and then give me the answer. We'll check with your answer in the output.
It will be like 3 point something.
3 point something? No, no, give me the exact value, ma'am. I want the exact value.
Exact
No,
value.
no, use your, use the calculator or anything, ma'am. It's fine.
Yeah.
Still calculating, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Done, ma'am?
3.334.
3 point what?
3.334.
334. Let's see. It is 3.183.
Or somewhere I missed.
Anyways, ma'am, anyways, no, your intuition is right. Okay. So no,
Okay.
it'll calculate between, data between x1 to x4.
4.
Okay. Total 5
Yeah.
values. Okay. Clear, ma'am, on this?
Yeah.
Next is median. Okay. So how does this median work? So basically, this median works in a way that, okay, so if it is an odd value, if it is an odd number of if it is an odd number of digits, okay, it the middle number will be the median value, and if it is the even number of digits, okay,
Middle 2 will be the
middle
yeah.
middle 2 by 2, the average of middle 2 will be the median value.
Yeah.
Okay, so here tell me, what is the median? I mean, if you can, recalculate from your previous, I mean, uh, from your past, it's okay. Otherwise, I'll explain. Parmeet ma'am,
Is
any
it
idea? Yeah,
like median
It
first?
will be 5.5.
Arrange the numbers from like in
right,
like ascending order,
right.
and
Yes,
then
ma'am.
it gives the middle value.
Exactly. Yeah, yeah. So what will be the median for x, ma'am? First, we'll arrange that in ascending value, sorry, ascending nature. Is 1,
Yeah.
comma 2, comma 3, comma 4. 4. So what is the median of this one, ma'am? 2 plus 3
So
by
2
2.
plus 3 will be yeah,
Yeah.
2 plus
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, it will be 2.5, right?
Yeah.
And how about second one? It is 0, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 8. So what will be the median value?
4.
Right. And for this one, it is uh
0, 5,
dot
0, 4,
dot
5.
0, 4, 5. Let's see on this. So tell me, what can be the answer here?
Missing value.
Missing values, yeah.
Missing value?
And then the answer will be like 1, 2, 3.
Because we have missing values, right? So no, what can be the answer for this? Shani ma'am said it will be missing value, right, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay. Any answer, ma'am? Pamit ma'am, from your side?
Should be 4 again.
4?
0. Sorry, I can see your screen actually. 0, 0, missing,
Okay.
0, 4, 5. So 0 will be the value.
Okay. Let's see whether it will be a 0 or a miss or a 4. Okay. You can see my screen, right? No, ma'am?
Now,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
I don't know. Yeah, it was like fluctuating. Maybe my internet.
Okay. If you see here, 2.5 is the first one. Okay. 4 is the next
Yeah.
one. And for third one is 4.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
so it, okay. So it doesn't,
Yeah. So these functions doesn't care about missing values. Okay.
In
Missing
values,
values are
okay.
ignored and it will. So, what we thought our answers can be dot, comma, 0, 4, 5, right? So,
okay.
Yeah.
we thought of answers of missing value, 0 and 4, right? 3 answers. Okay. So,
Mm.
our final will be 4 because these values will ignore the missing values and treat the no the no the rest values with in ascending order, and the middle value will be the median. Got it, ma'am?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Next one. The difference between mean and median. Okay. Mean will give the average of the numeric values.
Yeah.
It is 75. And in median, the data will arrange that from lowest to highest. Okay. In the data, middle number is the median value, which is 75. So that's
Okay.
that and yeah, yeah, and same thing. If it is an even number, we get we'll first arrange the numbers in ascending order and then calculate the mean of the middle two values.
Yeah.
Yeah, 4.1 equal to 5. Oh yeah. Next one. Okay. And now minimum. Okay. Minimum value. Minimum function. It returns the smallest value in a set of arguments. Okay. So tell me, what is the minimum here, ma'am? Between 7 and
4,
4?
4.
4,
4. How about next one?
2,
Okay. How about next one?
mm,
This one?
Minus
-3,
Okay. How
3,
about this one?
0,
Okay. How about this one? X6.
x1 to
x
x3.
-3,
Okay. How about X1 and X3?
-3.
X1. Okay.
Yeah, again, the minus 3.
Okay. Let's see. What is X4 here? We got a 0 here. Okay.
0. Yeah.
X2. X2 is 2. Yeah. -3, -3. Okay. Yeah. Next one. Max. So it's simple. I mean, it's vice versa of mean. Sorry. The reverse of mean.
Minimum.
Max. It'll just give you the max values of the across all the arguments. Okay. Yeah. If you see here, an argument is numeric, at least two arguments are required. Because for minimum and maximum, at least, because how can we say our number is maximum? Only it has a other number to be in competition, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So only then we can say it is a one is minimum and one is maximum. Okay. Yeah. So minimum two arguments are required. The argument list may consist of, for example, if I just miss out this one, it'll just give us simply 8. If I even just remove this, it's still 8.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. If you see here, missing values which were generated, result of performing on missing values. Where did we get missing values? X. What is X? Okay. X4. Is X4 missing value? X4 is null. Okay. Yeah. Next one. Okay. The argument here, the argument list may consist of in a variable list, which is of okay, which precedes by of, in which we already discussed it. Okay. The max function returns a missing value only if all the arguments are missing. Right, ma'am?
Yeah.
Next one, range. Okay. So normally, it returns the range of values. So syntax is range of argument 1, comma argument 2, comma and so on. Okay. Argument is numeric at least. So even for this, we have to have at least one non-missing argument is required. Otherwise, the function returns a missing value. Okay. Because if all the arguments are missing, eventually, it doesn't have anything to calculate. Okay. The argument list can consist of variable list, which is preceded by of. The range function returns the difference between largest and the smallest of the non-missing values. Okay. So basically, minimum is the minimum value, max is max value. Range is something that it'll just do a difference of largest and the smallest value and gives you the range of it. So for this range, it's missing value. Tell me, what is the range of this one, ma'am? X2?
-2 to 6.
Sorry? No, it's the difference of largest and the smallest value, ma'am.
6 to -2.
6, sorry? 6?
6 to -2.
Ma'am, I didn't get you. 6 to -2. Hello?
Sorry, what is your question, Rajiv?
Ma'am, I just asked what is the range of x2? What is the value of x2?
Will be
Okay, sorry. The difference between the largest and the smallest.
Yeah.
4.
Shravani, yes, ma'am. Shravani, ma'am, you were saying something?
I think it's 8.
Okay. How about next one? X3?
It is 4.
How about x4?
5.
Okay, how about x5?
X1 to X3 is 6.
Okay. Let's see. 8, 4, and 5. Okay. And last one is you said 6. It is
I
4.
got 6.
4.
It's
Right.
4.
So what did we have? X1 to x3. What is x1 to
Mhm.
x3? So what is 8 minus 4 is 4, right? Largest is 8,
One,
smallest is 4.
one show the code, no?
Yeah.
X1.
Okay.
Okay. Good. Clear, ma'am? Pamit, ma'am? Clear on
Yeah,
this?
yeah.
Next one is sum. Okay, sum of arguments. Remember, we already discussed about this, ma'am?
Yes. Some
Yes.
function.
Yeah, this is sum function. What is the other one, which we have discussed?
Some statement. No? We
So,
discussed some.
di- yeah, go on, ma'am. We discussed.
We discussed some statement at that time.
Hmm.
We discussed like some function is efficient when
Hmm.
compared to some statement.
Why is it?
Why is it? Like if there are missing values, also the sum function works. I think.
Exactly. Right. Right. So, some statement doesn't work when you have missing arguments. But
Yeah.
but when you have missing arguments, some function works efficiently. Okay.
Okay.
That's the difference between that and this one. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Next one. So here, if you see sum of x1 to x4, comma sum of y1 to y5. So which will be eventually gives the sum of all these numbers. Got it, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yeah, 183. What is Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi is, yeah, it's not, leave it. Yeah. So what will this give you, ma'am? Sum of x1, which is 55 plus 35 plus 6 plus 5. Okay. So what is this sum, ma'am? Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is sum of this one, ma'am? Sum of x1, x2, no, and x5. What is sum of x5?
The sum of x1 and x14.
No, no. I'm asking you, what is the x5 value?
14.
Why 14, ma'am? Any reason for your 14, ma'am?
No, no, no.
Okay. So,
Because if x1 is equal to 7, x2 is 7.
mm-hmm. See, what does x1, so what the x1 hyphen x2 does? I don't have any off here. Okay, any colon here. So what does this functionality do or operation does?
Oh, 0.
So you
Like,
mean, yeah. So you mean the value of x5 is 0.
yeah,
Ma'am, don't be uh, in in a dilemma, ma'am. It is a simple logic. It is 0. Okay?
yeah,
No, no, don't get confused. Stick to your basics, ma'am.
yeah,
So our basics is simple. So we have quite, we have three types of, we have three types of arguments in this. Either function of, okay, remember, either function of x1, x1 minus, x1 hyphen x2, okay, function of x1 x1 minus x2, okay. This is called difference. This is called of range of values or of values from x1 to x2. And this one
yeah,
Okay.
function of x1 hyphen x2. Okay, it will give you whatever the
Mm.
no what are the values are between x1 to x2. Now whatever the values got generated between x1 to x2, we'll get all the values. Another one is function of, what's the other one? Any idea? X
mm,
colon. Okay.
yeah,
Yeah,
Okay.
it's colon.
Yeah, we can modify this, in terms of we can modify this one to x1 hyphen x2 comma what sorry of so- sorry of y1 hyphen y2. Yeah, we can modify in any way. So y1 minus y2. How will we treat this? How will SAS treat this?
if you don't put off, then again it will just
It will just
do the subtraction. Yeah,
okay. Okay. We can see here. If we
yeah,
are doubtful, we can see here. So previously our value was 183. Now it is 24.
yeah,
Yeah.
Okay. Got it, ma'am?
yeah,
Okay. Yeah. So these are our few types of writing, of calculating the different functionalities, numeric functionalities on the data. All right, ma'am?
yeah.
Once again, tell the this thing x colon.
Yeah,
X colon, how it will
yeah,
read.
X colon is something that whichever
Mhm.
variable starts with X, it will consider all the values. That's it.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
yeah,
Either it's like numeric or alphabet. Like in last example, A, XA will also win.
okay.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, I got her point.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. Now tell me what is this? Or what is the value of X6?
It's 50.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, clear, ma'am? It's 50.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
no, it is some statement. Okay. From this, tell me what is the value of X1 and X2.
Both will be 24.
Both.
Yeah,
Okay.
This is a statement, then the missing value will not be.
We'll see. Okay.
okay.
This clear, right, ma'am? It is
Yeah,
clearly we
yeah,
mentioned
Yeah,
statement.
the statement.
I mean,
Yeah,
plus
yeah.
plus symbols, right? It will be a statement.
Okay.
If we have
Yeah,
commas
yeah.
here, it will give you the value. Okay. Yeah. You see, some function returns the sum of non-missing values. Some statement adds the value into variable with non-missing values. It won't
Okay.
consider missing values. If missing values are there, it'll give you a missing value. Right, ma'am?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next one. So it is called variance. Second, sorry. Yeah. So argument is number. So it calculates the variance between numbers. Okay. So it always needs at least two non-missing value because variance always needs minimum two non-missing values to calculate. I mean to calculate the variance. Otherwise the function returns missing values. Okay. So yeah. So the variance in this case, so we have a formula for it, variance formula. A second. So basically, what does variance do? So basically, what does variance do is it will just calculate. No, it will calculate. How does each and every value differ from the next value?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So how does each and every value differ from the differ from the other values? Okay. So here, if I just do it in a ascending order, 2 comma 3 comma sorry 3.5 comma 4 comma 6. Okay. So basically, we use variance, while calculating the distance between numbers. Okay. I mean, mostly we use this kind of topic, when we do some kind of a model building, machine learning techniques in that way. Okay. So,
Is it like how the data is like
yeah,
spread out?
exactly, spread out, exactly.
Okay, okay,
So if
okay.
it is
That's
skewed, I mean, if it is skewed for some, if it's skewed
yeah,
towards
yeah.
one point or, okay, yeah, in that way, we just find out the skewness, cutoffs for that based on variance. Okay,
Okay.
it's a different topic. I can just tell you, um, sorry, uh, variance, variance formula. Okay, so this is formula for variance. So mainly it is,
Mm.
variance is always used, used, I know, how is the how are the values are spread out across a particular plane. Okay. Yeah, the Bayes formula measures the spread of our data points across the yeah, mostly around the mean itself. Okay. If you see, if
Yeah.
if you just calculate the mean here, uh, yeah, yeah. So which will be 10, 12, yeah, around 3.8. Okay.
Mhm.
So what is the variance? Yeah, yeah. So what is the variance spread out across this one? So that will give us the value which is 2.729. Okay. So how much, sir? Just sorry. So we see, and I have to show you graphically, but but for now, ma'am, normally, variance is to, variance is useful to, it is always used to calculate the distance, how are the values are spread out across the mean. So our mean is here 3.8. So the distance from above 6 is, okay, 2.2, 2.2. And again, from 4 is, sorry, 4 is point 0.2 from, okay, yeah, in this way.
Mhm.
From 3.5 is point 0.3. Again, from 2 is 1.8. Okay. So all these values we see through the entire plane, and we look out for a possible variance number, which is 2.72.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you want the variance formula here, we have the formula here. Okay. Sigma square is equal to xi minus mu whole square by n. Yeah, mu is the population mean, n is the number of data points in the population. Okay. Yeah, no, in simple terms, just remember in this way, ma'am, the variance is, measures the spread of data points around the mean. Okay, that is the use of variance here. Sorry, and mostly it is always used to see how the data is skewed towards anything, maybe a left skewed or right skewed. Anything is fine, or it is or it is entirely pointing towards the mean. So no,
Yeah.
okay, yeah. So the close, I mean, I don't say, I mean, the closer the mean, so we see the data is little bit, I mean, the data is in a good
Yes.
shape. Okay, in a good shape. I
Yeah.
mean, it's not that all the, all the, data points should be close to mean. Okay, we can say, around, 98%. We have some kind of, calculations on it. Sigma plus, sorry, sigma plus 2 mu, sigma plus, sigma minus 2 mu. In that way, it's called, ma'am, it's a completely different topic. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. But for now, just remember wherein something that it just calculate the spread of numbers around the mean. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next one, square root. Okay. So no, it returns the square root of a particular number. So here the number should be numeric, as you know, and other point is it should be a negative. So it should be non-negative number. Okay. So you know what is this? No, what is the square root of 36, right? Yeah. Yeah. It's simple. 6 5 and 6 5 and minus will be it will be null value because square root doesn't consider minus. Okay. Square root clear, ma'am? Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
What is X3? X3 is 4.
Yeah. X3 is no. X3 should be greater than 2. Is 2.09. Okay. Maybe it means 2.1. Next one, n miss. Okay. So env is something that it returns the first non-missing value in terms of numeric. Okay. So no, it returns the number of. Just a second. Just a second.
Do not expect to complete within do not expect to complete my work within.
Okay, just a moment, ma'am. Sorry, I got. Uh, okay, so this is different. Okay, yeah. No, it normally, this returns the number of missing values. Let me just run this of missing values. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. So yeah. So in these we have a total of two missing values. So it will give you the number of missing values. Okay, how many numbers are been missing? So n miss will give you the number of missing values.
Okay.
N will give you the number of non-missing values. Okay, in the argument. Run this part. Okay, 4, 2, and 2. So we have total of 4. So first one I have total of 4 non-missing values, 2, two non-missing values, and so on. Okay, yeah. So sim is something that it's another character function where it counts the number of missing arguments. Okay, missing arguments in terms of character values. Okay, nmiss it counts the number of missing values in terms of numeric values. Cmiss it counts the number of values in terms of characters. Okay, if you see here we have this data ds, and I want to calculate if cmiss of name hyphen hyphen weight. What does this mean, ma'am? Name hyphen hyphen weight. Name double hyphen weight.
From name Barbara, height, I name Philip, weight, all the values.
Sorry? No, no. This one, name hyphen hyphen weight. What does this mean?
It gives the values that are present between name variable and weight variable.
Okay, that's what I want. I mean, you were saying
Yeah.
around names, right? No, no.
So
I
I'm
asked.
telling the values in the above data set.
No, no. There are many other values, not just Barbara and
Okay.
Philip. Okay. We are
Okay.
doing, we are doing the transformation only for Barbara and Philip.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So no, no. We need to calculate how many are we need to calculate how many missing values are there across name and weight, which will be name, sex, age, height, and weight. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see only two are missing. This means if CMIS of name and weight. So what does CMIS of name hyphen hyphen weight calculate? Give you
The number of missing counts the number of missing arguments.
exactly. So we have. So if we do a if condition, what does it mean? It filters out the number
Filters
of
out.
missing
Yeah.
values. Okay. Total we have two missing values. It only gives you the missing values. Right, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah.
At least one
Yes,
or
ma'am.
two days.
Yeah. You see here in N we have third is missing and Philip is missing. Okay. Right?
Okay.
So how
Yeah.
many? So we just simply mention here if C miss off. Okay.
And it will, yeah, show
Yeah.
them.
Yeah. That's it. For example, you do in this way. Uh, See what happens. See, zero records. Why? Why zero, ma'am?
Because the missing value is more than
Hmm?
one. The missing value is more than one.
If it is more than one, no, we should be getting some data, right? In this data, but we have 0 records, which is there are no missing values more than one, right, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you said no missing value is more than one. So here, if you see, miss equal to you see in miss variable, how many we have? Does we have any value more than one? Okay, so now ma'am, simply we are checking how many missing values are there across name to weight. Okay, so it'll check
Yeah.
this entire row and see and count. It just counts how many missing values are there. Now you count how many missing values are there across Barbara row.
One.
Yeah, one. So we got one here. Okay, do we have two missing values here?
No.
Yeah, that's what it is, one. And again we don't have any missing values here. And at Philip we have only one missing
Only.
values. Okay, eventually
Yeah.
we get one as a count.
Yeah.
Okay, so when I mentioned if CMIS of name to weight greater than one, sorry, greater than one, do we have any missing value greater than one?
No.
That's what we got, 0 records.
Yeah.
If you write greater than 0,
Then it will throw them.
yeah, it will show 2 records, right?
Yeah, it will show.
Yeah, either if you write equal to 1, we'll get the same data. Or else
Yeah.
just leave. Just say if CMIS of name hyphen double hyphen weight, it'll give you all the missing it'll filter down. Okay, it'll filter down to all the missing all the data with the missing values. So
Yeah.
if it's a condition, why do we use it, ma'am?
Filter them.
Exactly. No, to filter the data. That's the reason we just use it if we use it to filter the data. So how are we filtering it? We are filtering if CMIS of name. So what does CMIS do? It just calculates the number of missing values across the name double hyphen weight. So how many? So how many CMIS values get the missing data? Those many records will be filtered out in the output data set.
Yeah.
Got it, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Now tell me this. If sim is of name hyphen double hyphen weight, then output DS2, else output DS3. Okay. So now tell me how many records we have in class. Any idea, ma'am? Okay.
19, I think.
19. Okay. Okay, 19. So how many we have missing values?
2 records.
Now tell me how many records will be in DS3 and DS4. It is DS3.
We gave it. Yeah.
Yeah. Now tell me how many records will be there in DS3 and DS4.
In DS3, 2 records.
Mm-hmm.
In DS4, 17.
Okay. Okay. DC we have 2 record, DS4 17. Right? All the missing values were transferred to DS3 and non-missing values were transferred to DS4. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Claim M on CMIS, NMIS, and N. So what does N do?
Gives the
Calculates only the
number
number of the missing.
non-missing values.
The number of non-missing values. Right. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have few more functions left. Okay. We're gonna take it in the next session. But now, ma'am, do you have prepared on what I have gave you yesterday?
Yeah.
Did-
Oh,
Sorry, ma'am.
find and the index W
Yes, index W with what?
Delimiters.
with delimiter.
Right. Did you no get prepared it, or you still need some time?
Yeah, it's done.
Okay. Can you please share it? No, share it with us, ma'am.
Yeah.
So how does first let's start with index W. How does index W work with delimiter? And again we'll jump on to this find functions. Okay?
Mm.
Yeah. Yeah, please share your screen, ma'am. No, we can
I have sent the request for sharing.
no, you can share it, right?
No, it's asking for host is not
Oh,
allowing to share.
okay, I love it. Okay, yeah. Now you can share it, ma'am.
Yeah. Am I sharing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Where
can
is my
see. I can see your
SAS?
screen, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So in index W,
Mm-hmm.
uh, here we are searching for the substring green.
Mm-hmm.
So here these are the arguments in the string X,
Okay.
blue, green, red. These are separated by commas. This is the
Okay.
delimiter.
Okay.
So when using the index W function, we are giving the source string and the particular string we want to search green, and I'm giving the delimiter.
Okay. Run it, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me? Hello. Hello.
In this way, index use the delimiter like the third.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, I mean, I just
Yeah.
missed out all your explanation. Can you just start from the beginning, ma'am?
Yeah,
Yeah.
index W we are
Okay.
using to search a particular word.
Mm-hmm.
Like here the green word I'm searching.
Okay.
So we are using the syntax is index W
Okay.
parenthesis the string source X comma and the green is the substring I'm searching,
Okay.
and in the third argument I'm giving the delimiter comma.
Okay. Yeah.
So I have shown the output like it shows the
Okay.
minimize it. So the position is sixth position.
Got it. Got it. So when what happens, if you don't, if you don't provide the delimiter?
If
It
we
will not
don't,
on the match, yeah.
if
Sorry.
here if I remove the delimiter,
Yeah.
it will not give the output.
So what what
It
will
will
give? It will give what?
Zero.
zero,
Zero or null? Zero.
zero,
Okay.
Zero.
because it is not recognizing.
Okay.
So I compared with the find W also.
Okay.
It works in the same way.
No, start with find, ma'am. Start with find. All the finds.
Find,
Yeah.
yeah.
Then we can jump on
Find.
this. Yeah.
So find function is similar to index function. It is also helpful to search the substring in the string.
Okay.
So the syntax of find is string comma substring,
Mhm.
and here we are using two more options
Mhm.
like modifiers and start position.
Okay.
So these are the benefits compared to index function.
Okay.
Here I am showing the code.
Mm.
Here data the string is Saturday.
Okay.
So I'm trying to find the substring UR.
Okay.
So find source and the substring. If I run this program, the position of U is 4.
Okay.
So if in index function, the drawback is if the substring has the lowercase letter and if we provide the uppercase letter, it cannot recognize the substring.
Okay.
So we cannot get the output. But here, if we are using the modifier I in find function, this is the case
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 sensitive.
Yeah, case
insensitive
insensitive. Yeah.
Insensitive. Yeah.
modifier.
Yeah.
So here I'm using this. Here I get the output.
Okay.
But without this modifier,
Mm.
if I try to run the code, then I'll not get the output.
Yeah. Okay.
So this is the use of modifier.
Okay.
And this is find C. Find C is like similar to index C. Here we are going to find the character. But here the character is I'm giving in a different way, like MMO.
Mm.
In SAS programming, it is MMI. But I'm giving MMO. Then also it recognizes. But this doesn't work with find. The difference is like if we use find, the same exact characters must be in the substring and string. If we use
Yeah.
the find C, it only recognizes whether the starting letter is M, it gives the output.
Okay.
So here I'm using I also like a modifier.
Mm.
Here it is uppercase and the substring I mentioned is lowercase. But if I use the modifier, it works.
Okay.
And then here I'm giving like here first things are first. There are two first repeated for 2 times. But if I want the position of second first, then I can give the start position. That
Okay.
means I'm telling SAS to start at the position 7th.
Just press F3, ma'am. That should do. That should. Yeah.
Okay. So the position is 18th for second F.
Okay. Yeah.
This is the use of start position.
Okay.
So
So
this
you
is for the find. This is the
find
find
C.
function.
Okay. Find W. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I compared index W and find W also.
Okay.
So here, the previous example.
Yeah.
So the advantage is like with find W, if I don't give the delimiter also here, I got the output.
Okay.
But the same thing, it is not working if I give different delimiter.
No, sometimes what happens is, run this one, ma'am. What happens is, comma will be a default delimiter in SAS. You know it, right? We
Yeah.
have DST as the default delimiter.
Here, if I use hash as the delimiter, I did not get the output.
No, you haven't used it, right? Do you use it, hash delimiter?
Yes.
No.
Here again, I tried the same thing. If there is comma, I got the output.
No, use
But
index,
if
ma'am.
there
In
is,
index, it's working, right?
yeah.
Uh,
If I put the index, sorry, if I put the modifier, then I'll get
yeah. Which modifier, ma'am? Hash.
hash.
Yeah, that's what. Sometimes,
Sorry, delimiter.
yeah. Sometimes it might be in find because find is some kind of advanced functionality to index, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So find might have comma as a default delimiter, comma and spaces. Okay.
Yeah, for space also it is considering
Yeah.
without the mentioning of delimiter, it works.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Anything else, ma'am? Any new findings on this find one?
No, I got so much information.
Okay. So you have a data. Okay. You have a data in a
Okay.
way that you have what can I say? Yeah, for example, you have this class data. So,
Okay.
in class data, ma'am, just write a command, to print the class data. to print the class data.
Row
Hmm.
print
Hmm.
data column SAS help class.
Okay. Just press F3. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So what we have name, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So U D U U. Okay. So I want okay. I want to find out. How many people have you in their names? You. Just
Okay.
you. Okay. How many people have you in their names? Filter the data.
Okay.
Filter the data with people who have you in their names.
So
There are multiple ways. Just think about it. But I want you to use find and or find or index, whichever you're comfort with.
okay. Can I give the column name?
Sorry, ma'am?
Here I have to give the column name. I think.
Name, yeah.
Yeah, you
Name.
do, I mean, no, you do know how it is comfort to you.
Name.
Okay, then?
You.
Okay, then? What if I have capital or lowercase letters?
I.
Okay,
I want to see what happens if I run this.
you won't be getting anything. Yeah, try. Yeah,
I'll try.
yeah. Before writing a code, just see what did you write?
Syntax error.
Before writing the code, just see what did you write?
I think I have to give a new column.
Right. That's what it's important, right, ma'am? So, where
Yeah.
does find C go? Where does the output of find C go?
Yeah.
Yeah. And just remove the space between find C and the brackets. And use F3, ma'am. Not the run button, use F3.
Okay.
Once yeah. Select this and use
Every
F3.
time.
F3. Just F3. Yeah.
Yeah.
What did you get?
Yeah. The position of U is
Hmm.
2 in this 12th observation, 2D.
Okay. Okay.
And the position of U is
Hmm.
3 here.
I
Remaining we
did.
don't have.
Okay. I said I don't. I require only the data. That's it. I'm not bothered about the positions or anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
How do you do it?
If
I'll
statement.
filter it.
How do you
If.
filter it?
Yeah. Mm, If X. So then or
Hmm.
equal to. um,
Then you can simply mention greater than 0. That's it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And can't you use, I mean, I just explained you other way using if condition on the CMIS, right? Can't you use the
Same as.
same? Yeah, I mean, I just explained you, right? How to use
Yeah.
if condition on CMIS, right? Remember, ma'am?
Yeah.
Uh, so, why can't you use the same kind of functionality on your find C?
How I have to use.
So now tell me, what was the explanation for CMIS?
CMIS is the number of
Hmm.
missing values, a number of character missing values.
Yeah, character missing values, right?
Yeah.
So now we used if space CMIS of all the list of variables, right? So what did we get?
So we got like a number of missing values in a column. In an observation where the data is missing, there we got like number one.
No. My point is, I mentioned right. If space if miss CMIS of named hyphen double hyphen weight. What did we get in the
Yeah.
output data?
We got two records like that for the missing values.
Yeah. So how did we get two records?
Those two records are having the missing values.
Exactly. So why can't you use the same functionality here? So we are using instead of CMIS, no, we are using find C. That's it, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. Then what happens here? If find C of name you and I. So what does find C returns? Find C
It
returns
returns
the
with all the 19
Position.
data with the position of the, along with the
exact.
Field.
missing. Yeah, but with same is we only get the, with hyphen hyphen, only two values that you are asking.
Okay. So I don't know what does find C give you, ma'am? It'll give you the position of some values, right?
Character. Yeah.
Of you, yeah.
A character value is called U. Okay. So what
Yeah.
if I mention if finds you of name U I name no if finds you of name U comma I, what happens then? It will filter out all the okay
Okay.
just ma'am just write it down if okay do one thing, copy this if and paste on x equal to,
I have to copy this on.
copy if only if and paste on x equal to.
X equal to F.
I have to copy this.
Yeah, control C. Okay, yeah,
Okay. And I have to paste here.
paste on x equal to.
I have to remove this x equal to
Yes ma'am.
if.
Okay, remove the f at 80th line. Now run it. What did we
Okay.
get?
Yeah, to
Only the observations with you.
Exactly. No, instead of writing two steps, I just give you in one step. Go to the code.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So tell me, what does normally what does find C, comma name U comma I returns? Position of U, right? Position of U across the name,
Yeah.
right? Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now find C name U equal to 1. Sorry, no, greater than 0, right? Fa- After after this parenthesis mention
bracket. Yeah.
greater than 0. Greater than 0. Okay, this is the other way of writing it.
It will also give the
Same
same.
result. Yeah, it is more straightforward, more easy to understand, right?
Yeah.
So eventually,
Okay.
what does find give you? Find give you the positions of
But
the.
how can I get the position also? Like
If you
previously I got
Index.
if you
2,
want,
3.
yeah, if you want the position, create a new variable, and on the variable, give out, just type your find c function. That's it.
Again, I have to give like x equal to.
Exactly. I mean, you want to see the position, right?
Oh, yeah.
So now, how do you want? So how can you see the position of it?
By giving a column, by creating a
Exactly.
variable.
Exactly.
X, yeah, equal to.
Exactly. X equal to your value, X or Y or anything. X equal to whatever functionality or whatever function you want to use it.
So here I can give like that.
It's
X
up to you,
equal
ma'am.
to.
No, you can give wherever you want.
Again, the same thing I have to write. Find, see everything.
Whatever, what do you want?
I want a separate column with the position.
You can put
Okay.
And
up also X equal to if find.
Ma'am, you want the position, right?
yes,
One
It's simple,
position.
ma'am. Just write it down, find C, name, you, comma, I, that's it. You want the position of you, and in a new column. So what is the issue? And just type X equal to find C, that's it. That's it, right?
X, yeah, X equal to
mm,
find.
I mean, it's not just X, it's a new variable equal to whatever functionality you want, whatever data you want, or whatever function you want to use it over there. You can use over there any function, see, miss, find, index, anything you want.
Mm.
so now here it works like this.
No, no, you need to tell the.
Everything, no name, everything.
Yeah, that's what, ma'am. I mean, how does find C work? I mean, just think logically, how does
No,
find
I'm asking like any shortcut.
no,
Uh,
no. What do you want? You want position of it, right?
yes.
No, just tell SAS, no, you are telling SAS that give me the position of you in the name variable. I mean, if you directly do use find C, it just can't tell you the position, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it can't take anything from the upper function,
So if she can
upper
write
filtering.
down, if she if she writes like X equal to if
Hmm.
find C, then she can get the position also.
I mean, why do we use if again, ma'am? X equal to if. See, if and where are just then they used to
Because
filter the.
we only want the result. No,
Yeah.
no, no. My question is instead of typing it again, she go
Hmm.
back to the first one. She write it down. If find C name UI more than
Okay.
0.
Okay.
So if she writes in front of that X equal to, just
Okay.
that's it. Then she gets the index position also, I think.
I think it
So
doesn't work.
Like
ma'am, X is a
on
variable.
79. No, no, I mean on 70 line 79. If
Okay.
she just writes X equal to,
X equal to.
yeah. So will she get the, I don't know what Shravani, she wants to see the,
Just try your way,
uh,
ma'am. It's no.
No,
Yeah.
I want to see the column. The first we got like
yeah,
x
you
equal
created
to
X
find
column here. Yeah, you already
that
created X.
column I want in this program. For that, I think this doesn't work. I have to again give like x equal to find c name view everything.
Yeah. Just try this way, ma'am. I mean, yeah. No. No, you'll get the answer. Yeah. Okay.
Syntax error.
Yeah.
Syntax.
That's what, ma'am. I mean, I mean, can you get, I mean, if is used on a variable, but not if can be used on no, on a new variable, right?
So can we do like this? Here I'll keep it like x equal to so much,
Okay.
and then if if x equal to x is greater than 0.
That's what
Sorry.
you've done in the first step, ma'am. first step before mentioning if find C, right?
Yeah, this
Mhm.
is the correct way I'm thinking.
Ma'am,
Because you want another variable created like X, and she wants to see the index position. So yeah, this is like the
ma'am,
way
there are,
you. I think
yeah,
Shravani's wanted to see the data.
okay. No, there are a number of ways, ma'am. Okay. The first thing
Um,
is, the first way, remember before we trying all these ways, we have created X equal to find C, and then, we have mentioned if X greater than 0, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. So,
this
and
this column I want to see. For this, I was thinking.
okay, and I can go to the code. Okay. Now mention if find C,
Again,
remove
here I
X.
have to mention
Yes, yes. Remove X equal to, okay, if
if.
finds, okay. Leave it in the below one, the bottom one. Okay.
Here,
X
what I
equal
have to do?
X equal to
X equal to.
find C of, just copy and paste here. That's it.
Okay.
Now run this step.
Yeah, the same output.
Exactly. Okay. You can repeat this find C n number of times, or else once you create X, you can no do a if filtration on X.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, n number of ways. Okay, it's up to you. You know how to create it. Yeah. And X equal to if, that no, that doesn't work. If works on the, a variable should be used in if, but a new variable can't be created using if. So no, my point is, we can create only, we can create a new variable in if only by starting with the if condition, but not X equal to if. Okay, right, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a syntax over there. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So no, this is what we use find sometimes. We use find to find out what are the, what are the variables. So, what kind of data we require across the huge data marts.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Bhavit ma'am, are you prepared on this, or do you require some time?
I actually read the same thing what Shravani showed. So yeah,
Okay. Yeah.
I didn't. I mean,
Yeah.
put it on.
Okay. So you're, no
Like
questions
I
on find,
understood.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. That's fine. Okay. So you understood.
But one thing new she mentioned, Shravani, which I also learned the other function, like
Hmm?
um, I read about the position I case sensitive, but
Hmm?
for for the hash thing she was mentioning, yeah, I didn't read about it. So that was new to me.
Okay. Okay.
That
That's the limit. That's it.
yeah,
That's the,
yeah.
yeah.
So I mean, I read that in the index function.
Okay. Yeah. No issues. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yeah. If no questions, then no,
Yeah,
we'll
thank you.
just, yeah, have the session. Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you,
Uh,
Raj.
Yeah.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
one request, can
Yes.
Raju,
Yes, ma'am.
can we have a session on PDV like a 10-15 minute session?
Uh,
Not now,
okay.
maybe next week.
Okay. Yeah, sure, ma'am. I can give you a session on that. Yeah.
Just I want the outline like some options I know which works. I have studied on it.
Mm-hmm.
Which works before PDV, which
Mm-hmm.
works after PDV.
Mm-hmm.
Like I want a brief explanation
Okay.
so
I
that the
mean,
things will be easy for
okay.
That
us.
will be a good idea. Yeah.
Ma'am, have you gone through the, URL I've sent you long back?
Yes, I have studied the thing and I have listened again to the video,
Okay.
but I need more explanation.
Okay. So you went through the, a second. So, you went to the, that handout, right? I mean, not the handout. I have sent a URL
Handout.
on. No. I have sent a URL on this PDV, on
So
the
can
backend
you please
operations.
again resend that link? I think I
Yeah,
missed it.
that'll have a clear explanation. Even after you no don't
I
understand
think one
it.
of your video is really good. I mean, even in the handout, it's not very well explained. So
Yeah,
I also
PDV
listen
part is
to,
very little.
if you're send on the shared one, I will also take a
Uh,
look.
this, I might have sent you long back. Let me see. A document for the PDV. No, sorry, not PDV, but the backend operation of SAS. Second, huh? Yeah. Okay, I have it here. Yeah. No, I have it in the chat itself. I'm just
Can
resending
you
you.
reshare it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm resending it. Yeah. Just go through it, ma'am. Go this. This is gonna,
sure,
this
sure.
quite explain, self-explanatory. Okay. Just let me
Okay.
know if you still no don't no if you still have any kind of an questions on it. We can discuss in the next session.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want
Yeah.
a comparison, like if where which works faster, which is efficient. I want the comparative study on those things,
No.
those statements.
No. The first point is you have to go through the backend
Yes.
operation. Okay.
Yeah.
Only if you understand how does backend operation works. Okay. If you
Okay.
understand how does backend operation works, and again, if you know that where works before PDV and if works after PDV, then you can then you can easily differentiate how does handling new variables, how does handling new data varies.
Okay.
Right. First, you have to understand how does SAS backend operation works. Just go through
Yeah.
this particular document. It is always
Sure.
it is self-explanatory. Just it has some kind of a diagram or something. Sorry, a kind of a flowchart or something. Go through it. If you still don't understand, just let me know. I can explain you in the next session.
Sure.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am. Yeah.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so
Bye.
much.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Yeah.